Okay, Darcy, how you doing? All right. So what we're going to do is have a quick look at um, how we're making that UFO move around. So I want you to follow along and do this. Learn how to do this. So follow along. Stop the video if you need to, and just make it as we go. And then make it again and again. Make it a couple of times, just so you get the idea. And we'll talk about it on Tuesday, or that'll be tomorrow when you listen to this video. All right, so first thing we need to do is clear up, delete everything. So you've got an empty space like this, and then hit tab. So click on the background and hit tab, and you will come up with this. So go to comp, so go to the black one, go down to geometry, select that and click, and you'll have it. Same again, hit tab, this time camera. Click down, you've got a camera. Hit tab again, and we grab a light. And hit tab one more time, and go to the purple top, and go to render. Okay, so now we've got this torus or donut shape here, and we've got a camera and a light so we can see it, and then it renders out into something that we can see on a screen properly. Now, next couple of things, we hit tab one more time, a couple, and we go to chop the green, and then we look 1, 2, 3 rows, then down the bottom we have LFO. So click on LFO, and then do that one more time. Same thing again. Actually, I'll put it over here. All right, so we have two LFOs here, and what these do, they basically just count up and down. That's all they do, really. Well, they do some more stuff, but this one is going, well, they're both going from 0 up to 1, and then back, and then to -1, and then back. But I want to do a few things here. One is, the first one, I want to just hit the frequency there, click on just before the 1 and hit 0.1. I'll just put a point in there so it's moving at 0.1. And then with this LFO, the second one, maybe make it 0.2. Alright, so they're now moving at different speeds. Okay, so that'll be kind of interesting. Actually, let's make it 0.24, just because. So, click on the top one and hit A. Click on the next one down and hit A. And what this has done is it's made them active, which means that I can attach them or attach the numbers to something else. So I'm scrolling in and out with this mouse wheel, just to let you know how I'm moving. Go to the geo, click on the geo, and you should get this box here. If you don't, just hit the letter P and it'll come up. Now, over here on translate, this box here, this little box here, the numbers in that relate to moving something to the left or to the right, so on the X axis. So moving left or right. The numbers here relate to moving it on the Y axis, which is up and down. So let's grab this one. I'll click and drag this one over to here, export chop, and then I'll click this one and drag it onto the Y area, that one. Now we're just going to do one more thing. Let's, on this scale here, let's move all of these to 0.2. So I'll just highlight that and put 0.2, highlight that, 0.2, highlight that and put 0.2. Now what's happening is we've got the torus acting a bit like our UFO. So it's moving around. This one here is making it move to the left and right. This one here is making it move up and down. And this is how we got the UFO moving. So follow along with the video. Stop it whenever you need to. And just rewind, work things out. And can you build this, please? And then build it again and see if you can do it without the video. And I'll see you on Tuesday. Cheers.